Hello everyone. One of the highlights of our role in Forever is the opportunity to travel around the world and spend time with you, our family of distributors. These interactions motivate us to continue to do all that we can to make Forever the greatest opportunity in the world. As we talk with you, we often are asked, what is the secret of our success? The truth is, there are no secrets, and there are no shortcuts. However, we have observed a number of characteristics that define our most successful distributors. 11 common values evident in your lives and in your business. We thought you'd be interested to find out what these Forever 11 values are.
You put others first.
For us, that means putting you first. For you, that means supporting your downline and helping those around you achieve their goals.
You are passionate.
You believe that helping others achieve their dreams and look and feel better is the greatest job in the world.
You are entrepreneurs.
You are driven to carve your own path while refusing to take no for an answer.
You are agile.
You are able to adapt quickly to challenges that are thrown your way and work quickly to find a solution.
You are creative.
You are a true original and are always developing new ways to build your Forever business and overcome any challenge.
You always seek adventure.
You love excitement, traveling, and welcome the opportunity to experience new things anytime you can.
You are brave.
You are willing to do what others are not.
You always stay positive.
No matter what you're faced with, you always welcome it with a smile.
You are forever grateful.
You are thankful for your accomplishments and recognize the contributions of those around you.
You show integrity.
You value honesty and always do the right thing even when no one is watching.
You take no shortcuts.
You understand that building a successful Forever business takes hard work and patience, and you are not afraid to do what it takes to get it done.
There has never been a moment that I am not inspired by your example. Our distributors are leaders in our industry, and I am incredibly proud to be associated with you. Going global has helped us realize that you are great business builders. You do more than just distribute product. You own your own Forever business and are responsible for its success. We want to recognize this with a name that better defines who you are and what you do. Effective immediately, you are to be referred to as Forever Business Owners. I encourage each one of you to refer to yourself as a Forever Business Owner, and I ask each country office to begin the process of making all of the necessary updates to reflect this exciting change. Thank you for everything. We all love you very much.